this is the Max Bell Show.
I'm Mac.
And I'm Belle. Do you know what we hate?
We're done for, cried Spurgle. Got you now, cried Splurge.
Wait, hold on. I'm not deleting the picture.
Seriously? It's just a guy in a wheelchair. There's nothing really interesting about it. Can I just turn the page?
This is my favorite picture of the whole book. This is my favorite one. Just hold on. Yes, sister. Okay. Wait, 1 second. It's a really good one. I just want to capture it. Oh. Okay. Just, okay. Okay, yeah, okay.
Are you sure?
No, just 1 more second. Okay. Oh, it's a wheelchair. Oh, I love this one.
But that's not what we really hate.
What we really hate is running into old acquaintances, where you're good enough friends to say hello, but not good enough friends to have a conversation with.
Yeah, they always insist on starting one.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh, Mac, right?
Oh, yeah, Belle.
Hi. Hi. Yes, it's so long.
It has been really long.
It's so long. Yeah, it's been like since grade 1 or like.
Yeah, well, actually, yeah. No, not grade 1. I mean,
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
What? Probably maybe grade 2.
No. We've been in the same class since grade 9.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. No, really.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Did you remember, like grade 9 grad? I took a picture with you.
Oh, Facebook that?
Yeah, I already did. I tagged you in it.
Oh.
Did you not get it?
Really?
Maybe did you block me? Maybe because that sometimes happens to
No.
me.
Yeah.
Sometimes people don't get my tags so they block me.
No,
Are you sure?
I don't think I.
Maybe you can double check. Do you have an iPhone? Maybe we can check right now.
I don't have it. No, it's okay.
Maybe a BlackBerry? Do you have that?
I don't have one. I'll add you tonight.
Okay. So
Yeah. I'm Mac, right? Okay.
Yeah.
It's been so long.
It's
How
MAC.
are you? MAC.
I can write it down for you.
No, it's okay.
Are you sure? Oh,
I'm positive. I memorized it already.
Okay,
So
cool.
how are things? How's your family?
They're okay. Things are a little tough right now. I don't know, because my dad lost his job. My sister, her relationship with her boyfriend, actually her fiance, just ended, and they were in a relationship for like 5 years. Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
She found him like cheating on her with a 12-year-old girl. So
That's messed
it was kind of
up.
devastating. And she's like 25 and he's like 24. And that's kind of
jail. Did he go to jail?
He still has some court dates that are gonna be coming up.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
That's terrible.
I know. It's really sad. I feel bad for him.
Don't feel bad. It's just, feel bad. It's his problem, right?
Yeah, I guess. Yeah.
Do you? It's a
Yeah.
struggle.
But and then my mom. My mom is having an affair with this guy.
Oh my
but it's
gosh.
okay because I like him more than my dad. So.
Oh wow!
Yeah, I'm covering because I think he could be really fun, like in the family.
And really,
Yeah,
and that age gap thing.
Yeah.
Too, right?
Yeah.
In front of the family.
Yeah.
I guess. Oh my gosh!
Yeah.
You look great.
Me too. It's probably because I dyed my hair ginger.
Yeah, I noticed.
Yeah, well-
That's good.
Yeah, well, I read somewhere that gingers have more fun, and no, I believe I deal with the criticism because I do believe that gingers have more fun. No offense to blondes.
No, everyone has their own opinion.
No, it's a fact. Gingers
No.
do really have more fun.
Oh. Well, you know what? You just and
Thank
it
you.
was so nice seeing you and hearing about your life and catching up.
Well, no, it's actually really helpful to have someone else to talk to other than my therapist. So maybe you could give me a call sometime. Yeah, no.
I'd love to give you a call sometime. Or you call me. How about?
Okay, cool. What's your number?
Oh, you know what? I don't have a phone at the moment.
Do you? I just heard it vibrate in your pocket.
That isn't my phone. That's my
Unless you have a
mom's
vibrator.
phone.
Do you have a vibrator?
In my pocket?
Yeah.
No.
Because I have this friend.
You know what? That
she-
sounds really interesting. But I actually am late for.
For what? Maybe I can walk you to whatever it is.
It's like the group yoga.
I love yoga.
I know. Terrible, right? We need more time to catch up.
Oh,
You know what?
yeah.
Okay, look up my home phone number. I forgot it. I forgot my phone number.
No way.
I know. I still have
I memorized mine. Or however you were saying it. Like, maybe I should call my therapist. I feel